To freeze a whole fresh ginger root, wipe the root with a clean dry paper towel to remove any surface dirt. Wrap the piece of ginger in aluminum foil or plastic wrap. If you're freezing more than one piece, wrap them separately. Place the wrapped ginger in a resealable freezer bag. Squeeze as much air out of the bag as possible before sealing it. Then, put it in the freezer. Allow the ginger to thaw in the fridge or at room temperature before using it. You can also freeze chopped or sliced ginger by placing the pieces directly in a sealed freezer-safe bag and putting them in the freezer. To freeze finely minced ginger, scoop spoonfuls of the ginger onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Place the sheet in the freezer for about an hour, or until the ginger is completely frozen. Transfer the frozen portions of minced ginger into an airtight, freezer-safe container.